Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open the Christmas present that is from our school. And then we didn't open it, but it's not Christmas anymore.
This is a maze game activator. It's a funny game.
Yeah, and now this it's not even Christmas anymore. It's Chinese New Year. Let's turn it around for you guys. This is the back view. This is the other side.
I guess they got 4 games inside the game. Inside the pack.
Yeah, let's open it now. Okay. And wow!
Oh, that's the game ball.
Look. It looks so fun.
It's always packages always got a lot of nonsense. Yeah, rubbish paper. They just want to make the box big, but there's nothing inside.
Take my scissors and clock and
No, you don't do it. Can hear.
I know that. Where's my finger again? Just kidding. Okay, nothing. Why is there no marble? What? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you put it here.
Oh yeah.
It's easy. You put it here now. You can play with it.
On.
Oh, get out of the way.
What?
Let me try to do it again. You do it in this way. Now you know how to do it, right?
Yeah, and then try this here. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. It's stuck. The marble is stuck.
No, you need to turn it.
Oh.
Now the ball come. You hold it. On one hand you hold the control, the other hand you hold here. Make sure that you won't go away.
No, I want to go here. I can just move it with my hand. I wanted to go here. No! Where?
Is it fun?
Yeah, it's so fun.
It's quite difficult though.
Yay! I got it to go here.
This one is a little bit tricky then.
What?
It's a maze.
Yeah.
The ball has to go through all.
I'm just moving it with my hands.
Yeah.
I'm cheating.
It's okay. It's not factory cheating. But you just take a smart way to do that.
It's easy. It's easy. I'm talking to you. What? Oh, I went the wrong way. Yay! Finally got it to go there.
Yeah.
Now let's turn.
It's the end. Okay. Done.
What? Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.